Lending money is never a good idea. It should be completely avoided when it comes to coworkers. I have experienced kind hearted people helping others. When lending money, they plan to deduct 500 or, for example, 250 from each paycheck when they receive until paid back. Long story short, kind hearted people lend money to the needy and then for months they don't see or hear from them. I have seen many cases where coworkers lend money to help and get stuck. On the other hand, sometimes they are out of the money themselves for being kind because coworker who borrowed money did not paid back. Don't lend money to anyone. If there is an emergency, like they lost the keys, wallet, etc., and can't get home, in such situations, you could offer them a small amount of money, for example, 20 bucks or $50 to get home or drive them yourself to home. Never lend unless you are 100% prepared to never be repaid. Loaning money can ruin a friendship and can affect your job. If you are talking about a couple of dollars from one day to the next, it might not matter. However, any amount of significance, you may want to think twice. There is a nice saying, if you want to get rid of a bad friend, if you want to get rid of a bad friendship, lend them some money. It is easiest way to get them hiding from you. We all make mistakes. To be honest, I myself lost long-lasting friends over money. I have lost great employees over money. And sometimes people lose partners over money. I hate to say, but today I would never lend money. Never. When people you care about come to you for financial assistance, you may want to give them a helping hand by lending them money. They will love you for a few days. Once you lend them money, they will love you for a few days until it is time to pay. The moment you ask for your money, they will hate you and talk bad about you behind closed doors. There is a better way to do this. If you really care about a person or a coworker, listen to them and be willing to give them a little help, which is no payback needed. Just whatever you can help, just help. Where you know you're not getting it back. No payback needed. If you can give them some money, even if it is a small amount, they will love you as a friend and you will never need to damage the relationship asking for your money back. The truth is, it is very difficult to pay back money. It is very difficult to pay back money. It is easy to borrow and hard to pay back. I have seen many people helping others with cash even when they can't afford it to give. From my experience, my suggestion would be tell them, I am sorry, I can't help, I am sorry. Tell them you cannot afford it, you can't afford it. You have financial things coming up that that they're pretty important and can't tie up your cash right now. At work, I have also seen people co-signing documents for others, getting involved with the paperwork. Do not help. Do not help with the documents or pay them or lend them down payment for an apartment or a house or a car. That's what the banks are for. And believe me, you're going to ruin the relation when you are asking for your money. If they say they can't get a loan because they don't make enough and or have bad credit, tell them they need to work hard or get a better position at job and start working on their credit. And if they still push, say you are not comfortable doing it. Remember, if you are going to do it and lend, you would add on the cost to have an attorney draw up a contract. Let the attorney draw up a contract with scheduled payments, including penalties and late fees, etc. Plus, they will need to put up some collateral of more value before you help them with huge amount. If a coworker is paying you in installments, make sure you put in writing and keep good records where you both have initialed, so there is no misunderstanding later. So just initial and keep good records so there are no issues. When it comes to money and not paid back, you will lose your friendship with them. Yes, you will. I don't care how much fun a co-workers or friends are to, or even you have fun to party with them. Those are the kind of friends or co-workers you don't need. Man, that's a real world. Learn to pick your people and friends wisely. If you refuse to co-sign or lend money or be part of any paperwork, it might look awkward and disappoint your friend or a coworker, but it will not make you a bad friend. Take care of yourself first before helping others. Keep healthy boundaries. Managers or your bosses can't help you when you are going with those issues. So help yourself first before lending to somebody. Keep healthy boundaries. And only lend or help if you know that your bills and payments are taken care, your family is taken care, and you are now having more than you need, and with the awareness that your expectations about friend or colleague paying you the money back can be unfulfilled. Please take care of yourself first before helping others and keep healthy boundaries. Thank you.